How to make your Twitter account private. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way on how you can actually make your Twitter account private. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure you have updated the Twitter app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Twitter. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Twitter app to the latest version. Once you've updated the Twitter app, you can go ahead and then open it. So I will also go ahead and open the Twitter application on my phone. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is on the very top left hand side, you can see a Twitter profile photo. All you have to do is tap on your Twitter profile photo and you'll see a bunch of these options. Scroll down to the bottom and then select settings and privacy. So let me come back and then actually select settings and privacy as well. Once you select settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a whole lot of different options. Go to the section that says privacy and safety. As soon as you go to privacy and safety, you can see all of these options again. At the very top, you have this audience and tagging. All you have to do is tap on audience and tagging. And right over here, you can see this option which says protect your tweets. And you can also read there, it says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Once you do this, it basically means that you have made your Twitter account private. And this is how you can make your account private on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.